Welcome everyone, my name's Louis and I am the Sales Director here at Quadra Marine Services, and we are your local agent for Yachts Co. International Boat Sales and Network Yacht Brokers. We're based in Milford Marina, and today I'm presenting to you this 2004 Beneteau Antares Series 9. This is a lovely boat, fresh on brokerage at $49,999. I'm going to give you the full walk around tour today, tell you all about her, give you all the specs, and if you want to see a link to this advert, it'll be in the description below. Date of filming is June 2026. Let's have a look around. And before I start the tour, don't forget, if you're local to Pembrokeshire, we are your one-stop shop for anything boat related. We have marine engineers on our base at Milford Marina, and we are the local yacht brokers. So anything you need, give us a shout. Details will be in the description down below, and we'll help you in any way that we can. Okay, let's kick things off with a little walk around the outside of Blue Dolphin. She is a 2004 boat and she's in lovely condition. To say that she is currently 22 years old, she's really holding her age well, and she's still looking good and sharp. Some things to note on the outside of this boat: we've got a pulpit mounted searchlight here, and we have an electric anchor windlass mounted on the deck there. We have a good amount of chain and rode and a really good size anchor that's perfect for your cruising needs. So as we walk down the side of this boat, there's a few things that you'll notice. At the rear here, we have a all-over canopy cover. This was replaced in 2024, just 2 years ago, by our local sailmakers, Stephen Ratsey Sailmakers. They do an exceptional job at covers, and this is no exception, that's for sure. Really well thought out, lovely access into the cockpit, really great design and really high quality fabrics. Up on the fake flybridge, we have rails running all the way around, and then we've got a radar arch that has been added that holds the Raymarine radome. Up there as well, we have various GPS antennae, floodlights, VHF aerials, and things like that. Here we have navigation lights, massive side opening windows, privacy tinted in this nice fetching blue colour. Port light there down into the accommodation, grab rails, and then an opening hatch there down into the forward cabin. Right, let's hop on board and take a look around the inside of this boat. We've got a massive cockpit, very multi-purpose. So this can be used as it currently is, which is more of a leisure boat. A couple of nice comfortable chairs and an outdoor rug, and it turns this into a really comfortable lounge area. Or if you're a fisherman and you prefer going out fishing with family and friends, you can take all this away and have it all open as a big wash down, easy to clean area to do your fishing. Inside the boat, you can see access is really good with these lovely big steps down into the cockpit, both sides, and then we have a ladder here that takes us up onto that fake flybridge area, which is ideal for sunbathing, sitting up there with a chair, just watching the world go by. Storage beneath the floor, both of these hatches open. And as we move into the saloon area, whilst we're on underfloor, we have the engine situated underneath here. Carpet lifts back, these lift up, and you've got access to the Volvo Penta diesel engine. We've got a lovely big U-shaped seating area, fully covered to keep everything protected, but the material is in really good condition, and that is original Beneteau. To the starboard side, we've got the galley, really nice and compact, 12-volt fridge here, storage here, drawers there, and then this lifts up. It converts from this workspace area into your galley, and under here you've got a double burner hob on gas, and then you've got your sink with your running water straight into there. and a nice little drainer on the side. So really compact, really well thought out, and a really great design to keep everything nice and neat. Moving on from the galley area, we have the helm. A really nice, good size, single, very comfortable helm seat here. Again, in the original Beneteau fabric, in really great shape. Controls for the engine, boat system controls and a stereo, hydraulic steering, and then the dashboard. So we've got switches for all the boat systems, bilge pumps, and the engine panel here. The engine has just over 1250 hours registering. And we also have mounted here, but I haven't got the unit to hand, a Raymarine, and this is where the transducer plugs in and it will mount on there. Up here we have a Raymarine RC435 chart plotter and the standard Horizon DSC VHF radio. Heading over to port, we've got a lovely tide clock mounted there, and then a television that's been retrofitted. Coming down to the chart area, here we have storage under there. And then this seat here, the backrest flips up and creates an extra seat for your passengers to do chart work and to just look out and survey the views from these wonderful big windows, because the visibility in this saloon wheelhouse is absolutely fantastic. So from here we can drop down into the forward accommodation. So we've got some nice steps down into this area here, which has storage and a small seat just down there. And then above the storage, we've got a little bit of space where the current owners have put a microwave, kettle, toaster, etc., just to keep things out of the way. And then behind here, we've got access to behind the dashboard, all the electronics, etc. From here, we can go into the forward cabin. So we've got a nice size offset double berth, storage to the side, small seating area there, and shelves running around the sides of the cabin. Excuse the duvet, this boat is still in use, so the owner's personal things are still on board. From there, we can come round into the head. And this is a really good size. We've got a nice sink there, hot and cold running water in the shower head, storage above and below. Nice port light, bringing light in here. And then down here we have the Jabsco manual marine head. This has also had an electric towel radiator fitted here, which is a really nice addition. And then we've got a mirror there. So just to give you some perspective, that's the head here, and I'm stood in the forward cabin. Moving out, we've got the panel here that holds all of the boat system controls. All of the switches there, refrigerator, GPS, TV, stereo, 12-volt outlet, and then you've got a little indicator here that tells you your battery status. Back up into the saloon. That really is a lovely U-shaped seating area there. Sliding patio doors, back out into the cockpit area. So a bit of information about this boat. I've got some notes here, so I'm just going to read this out to you. We've got the rear canopy. That was brand new 2 years ago by Stephen Ratsey Sailmakers, and that is in lovely, lovely condition. There's a tender with 2 outboard engines with this boat, a 3 horsepower and a 6 horsepower. The 6 horsepower is 3 years old. She's been fully copper coated, fully serviced this year with refurbished injectors. The oil cooler has been replaced. Every single through hull on this boat has been replaced. The propeller was replaced 2 years ago, and the rudder was refurbished at the same time. The shaft seal was also replaced at the same time as the propeller and the rudder refurbishment. There are 6 life jackets on board, and I did notice up on the top deck was a life raft. Some dimensions of this boat for you. She's 3.1 meters in beam. She draws 0.85 meters. The length on the waterline is 8.23 meters, and she's 9.18 meters length overall. She displaces, or she weighs 4.3 tons. She holds 400 litres of diesel and 95 litres of fresh water. She's a fully semi-displacement hull and designed by Beneteau and built in 2004. So she is on the market for $49,999, and she is probably one of the best on the market today. She is in fantastic condition. The owners have spent a small fortune in repairs and upgrades, and what you are getting here is a boat that you could jump on board, turn the key and go and use. So if you're interested in the boat, have a look in the description down below. All the details will be there. There'll be a link to our boat sales page where you can find this boat and our contact details. Thanks for watching. I hope that was of some interest to you. If you like the video and you want to see some more, have a look at our other videos. I'll put a link here to some of our other videos and a link here to our channel. If you are interested, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button for this video and pop your comments down below. Love to hear from you all. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next boat tour.